Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with the volume analysis. Uh, I'm looking for signals. Okay, wait. Market is slow now. Market is moving like a slow, so wait for a confirmation. Okay, it's now ranging market, so I have to wait for the breakout. Okay, need a good confirmation for I got up signals, so I need a good confirmation. Okay, market going more down. Need a strong confirmation. Still not. Okay, yes, I place my trade here. So I got the confirmation from our signals. This is my level. It's a round number level, and got the confirmation, and I have a confirmation from my volume analysis. So let's see the result. Okay, I have won this trade. Okay, okay, this is my level, and it's a value area high, and the support rate is active resistance level. So I need a confirmation, good confirmation for place my trade down. Okay, not confirmation yet. Market is so crazy again. Okay, look, maybe it's a news time. I did not check. Market is so crazy. Okay. Oh, okay. It's my level. I got the confirmation. So look, what's the magic? So if you learn to uh, this strategy, contact with me. I will teach you. It's a very powerful strategy, powerful analysis, and if you learn it, you will be a good profitable trader in future. So try to learn this volume strategy, try to learn the volume analysis, study about it more and more. It's okay, I won this trade. So Thanks.